What if I told you your body in the next 10 years is being decided by what you do in the first 10 minutes of your morning? Sounds crazy, but it's true. Most people wake up stiff, tired, and tight. They carry that stiffness all day, and slowly, year by year, their body becomes weaker, slower, and more painful. But there's a different path. A simple 10-minute routine that can make your body feel younger, looser, and stronger every single day. Before we start, I want you to do something simple. Drop your name in the comments and tell me, how does your body feel right now? Stiff, tight, or flexible? Now let's fix it. First exercise. Heel glute bridges. You lie on your back, heels close to your body, and slowly lift your hips up. This wakes up your glutes, the most powerful muscle group you have. If these are weak, your lower back suffers. Do it slow, feel the squeeze, and control every rep. Next, rocking frog stretch. This one looks simple, but it hits deep. Knees wide, hips back, and gently rock forward and backward. This opens your hips, releases tightness, and improves mobility that most people lose with age. Move slow, breathe deeply, and let your body relax into it. Now we go into squat thrusts. This is where things get active. Drop into a squat, kick your legs back, and return. It builds strength, coordination, and gets your heart pumping. It's not just a stretch, it wakes your entire system up. Start slow, then build rhythm. Next, supine windshield wipers. Lie flat, arms wide, and move your legs side to side like wipers. This improves spinal mobility and loosens your lower back. Most people ignore spine movement, and that's why stiffness builds up. Control the motion, don't rush it. Now, alternative child's pose. Sit back, stretch your arms forward, and then walk them side to side. This stretches your back, shoulders, and lats deeply. It's relaxing but powerful. Every breath should take you deeper into the stretch. This is where tension starts melting away. If you're enjoying this routine and want more content that actually improves your body, not just wastes your time, make sure you subscribe right now, because these small routines can completely change your life. Let's continue. Elevated knee tuck V-tuck. This one targets your core. Lift your legs and tuck your knees in, then extend. It strengthens your abs and improves control. A strong core protects your spine and improves posture. Don't rush. Focus on clean movement. Next, lying crisscross. You're working your obliques here. Opposite elbow to knee, slow and controlled. This builds rotational strength, which is essential for real-life movements. Most people train straight, but life is rotation. This fixes that weakness. Now, seated wide side adduction. Sit wide, lean side to side, and feel the stretch in your inner thighs. These muscles are often tight and weak, causing poor movement and even injuries. Stay controlled and don't bounce. Let your muscles open naturally. Next, hip rolling plank. Get into a plank and slowly rotate your hips side to side. This builds stability, core strength, and control. It's not about speed, it's about control. This is what protects your body from injuries in daily life. Finally, reverse plank. Face up, lift your body, and hold. This opens your chest, strengthens your posterior chain, and improves posture. Most people are always bent forward. This reverses that damage. Hold strong, breathe steady. Now think about this. You just moved your entire body. Your hips are open, your spine is mobile, your core is activated, your muscles are awake. And it only took 10 minutes. Most people wait for pain to start before they fix their body, but you're building a body that doesn't break easily. Do this every single morning and you'll notice something powerful. You'll feel lighter, you'll move better. And slowly, your body will start feeling younger again. Consistency beats intensity. It's not about doing one crazy workout, it's about showing up every day, even for 10 minutes. So tomorrow morning, don't scroll your phone, don't delay, just start. Because your future body is watching what you do today.